Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a different video which is called the Get Unready with me. I had been for a wedding and I thought I will do a tutorial on how I remove my makeup and what is one of my night skincare routine. So I'm gone from this face to this. And to get started, I have already changed my clothes, tied up my hair. I'm just going to remove my earrings now, and once that is done, I am going to use my makeup removing cotton pads, and this is from the company called Vega, and I will use about 2 to 3 cotton pads from this packet. And for removing my makeup, I'm using the Loreal makeup removing cleansing milk, and I will use this on a cotton pad, a slight amount of it, and I'm going to rub that all over my face and gently remove my makeup. I'm going to start this first from my face. I'm going to keep the eyes and the lips to the end. So I'm going to gently use this on my face first. So once that is done, you want to make sure you're just keeping the makeup cleansing milk on your lips for a couple of seconds and then wipe that off cleanly. This will help because we are using matte liquid lipsticks which are a little staining on the lips. You will do the same thing for your eyes as well. You want to keep it for a few seconds on your eyes and then you want to rub that off. You want to be a little gentle on the under eyes because that is a very sensitive area on our face. And now here I am doing the same on the other eye as well. Keep it for a few seconds and then gently remove your eye makeup. So repeat this process until all of your eye makeup is gone. And then you can use a clean cotton pad and rub the cleansing milk all over your face just to make sure any little bits of the makeup is also come off. And this is how my no makeup face looks. Now after this, I'm going to cleanse my face, for which I'm using the Body Shop Seaweed exfoliator. This is a scrub, so I'm going to just splash water on my face and I'm going to use a little bit of this and I'm going to scrub this well on my face. We'll focus basically on the nose area, the forehead and your chin, basically the center of your face. You want to make sure it is completely exfoliated, and do not forget your lips as well. And once that is done, you want to wash off your face and you want to gently pat dry your face with a clean towel. And this is my completely no makeup and clean face. As a nighttime routine, one of my routines is to apply a sleeping mask. I got this sample size sachets from the Body Shop. This is called the Drops of Youth sleeping mask, and I will be applying this all over my face and I will leave that overnight and wash it off in the morning. This instantly gives you a very glowy face when you wake up in the morning. And that is get unready with me, guys. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And until then, see you. Bye bye.